Well, this bed has been far too wet to cut the grasses down, but we've now started to cut the grasses down. This one's Hameln. You can see that it's got a lovely row of green spire in the front with a thuya hedge behind, and then of course we've got the cutting all the grasses down, getting them cleaned out, ready for spring. And of course next is Annabelle strong, which will be cutting down as well and tidying the whole bed up. So there are. You may have seen this bed being planted. We did show that very, I think it's now 3 years ago. Velcro secateurs and my gloves there, ready to go. Plenty to do, and through it we've got verbena bonariensis giving a bit of height as well. So it's rather a lovely bed, but let's get rid of some of these grasses and get them on the compost heap. Plenty to do here, but it's the time to cut back your grasses, cut back your hydrangea, annabelle strongs or annabelles, and get ready for spring. We're going to hopefully give them a mulch or a soil improver. That's all we need to do, and that should work as well.